today we're going to be putting a Christmas tree together. Look. Today we're going to show you a beautiful, very plush, very colorful, vibrant Christmas tree. It's 6 feet tall, comes with a ribbon with lights on it, comes in a tiny box, only takes a half hour to assemble.
Too big! Too big? What about dish?
It barely sheds. If you are considering a new tree for this holiday season, stay tuned for the whole video.
6 foot tree in a box.
So let's open this up.
Ooh.
So 3 parts.
1, 2. Put it there. We've got this. We've got this. And then instructions. How do we know which one's which? We take this part and...
Too big.
Too big?
Uh-huh.
How about this? Is this good? No.
Too big.
Too big? What about this?
Too big.
No, it's perfect. All you do is you just bring them down and spread them.
These are never going to come out, so you don't have to worry about that. Section A done.
Section B. Part B gets screwed in. So if you think that it's not gonna fit, just press it and then just tighten it up.
When you bring these branches down, don't bring them completely flat, rather almost on an angle. And then once you have everything up, then you're going to spread the branches. Because these all have their individual branches, right? And that's going to make the whole tree full. The third one just snaps right on top. And again, bring these down. Each one of these has about 5 separate sub-branches. So it will take you some time to get everything in. When you're actually spreading these branches, the whole tree is just going to start looking very plush. But a tip for you. So for example, this side I haven't done. When these come into clusters, what you want to do is you want to open these up like stars, right? So you're going to have different twigs, and then there are twigs within twigs, and then some go in, some go out. You want to open these up and spread these in all different directions, like a star. And then that's what makes it kind of plush. All right, so it's completed. You can see how super plush this is. And next up is an LED glowing ribbon. It operates on 3 batteries, so we're gonna put 3 rechargeables in. So let's grab all this. So let's start working this ribbon all the way around. And we don't want to go super tight. And here we go. So pretty good without actually any ornaments. All right, let's put 3 AA batteries. And this is off. This is the blinking. And then this is the solid. These are just like one color, single, yellowy. It goes all the way around. Let's see what it looks like at night. So the lights definitely give off a really nice, subtle glow. It's perfect for the evening, I would say. It's just right in terms of the brightness. You cannot change the brightness. I don't think you would ever use the blinking mode, but you do have it. The tree not only looks good at night, but also during the day. It is super easy to fold up. The colors are vibrant and green and is extremely plush and ready for your ornaments. You do have a bolt that you need to secure it, otherwise that's going to be spinning around, but you can spin this around simply by just moving this, and then this whole thing is going to twist. So if you want to have a different angle, you can as well. I was actually thinking it was going to shed a lot more, and I thought a lot of these would fall off. Each of these has so many individual sub pieces that it's going to take you maybe a half hour to get this whole thing put together. But as you can see, it's actually very plush and very beautiful looking. The color is nice and vibrant. It looks like a real tree. Honestly, for this space, it's really, really nice. Hey Google, turn on white room lights. Don't put that in.